A lie by Honorable Kioni that Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga actually did not say the truth when he said that he'd spoken to the former president of this country. I would like to say that the former president, President Uhuru Kenyatta, is a statesman and he can speak to Raila anytime he wants. I want to ask Kioni, is he telling us that he is in a position to tap telephone calls of every person in this country? Mheshimiwa Raila does not need to lie that he spoke to Uhuru Kenyatta to cleanse himself as purported by Kioni. Cleanse himself from what? All Mheshimiwa Raila did was allowed his four members of his party to actually serve in the government at a time when Kenya really needed to show that there was unity in this country and Kenya really needed to show that we were moving together. What therefore does he need to lie and cleanse himself from? Mheshimiwa Raila does not need to lie and to tell anybody that he spoke to Uhuru Kenyatta. Uhuru Kenyatta is a former president and just a citizen of this country. How would he help Raila cleanse himself? How?
Thank you.
Very well.
Thank you very much. Sasa hii statement nzima ilikuwa kuhusu hili jambo la wanaazimio kusema kwamba watatimua wana ODM kutoka katika ule muungano wa Azimio. Vile Deputy Party Leader wetu amesema, ODM ndio chama kikubwa zaidi katika Azimio, na njama yoyote ya kutumiwa ODM itasambaratika tu, kwa sababu vile tumesema hatuna muungano yoyote ama agreement yoyote na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Kwa hivyo sisi ni minority party, tunajulikana katika bunge na katika nchi, na hakuna agreement yoyote, maktaba yoyote ambayo tuko nayo pale katika Registrar of Political Parties.